Howdy! How's everybody out in YouTube land today? Are we ready for the second episode here to learn to crochet? I taught you yesterday how to do the cast on stitches or the chain stitches to start off with. I guess in knitting they call it cast on. I do both knit and crochet, and it starts out pretty much the same. You only with crochet you're just making the chain. On knitting you're actually casting the loops onto a needle. But I'll show you again how we're going to start out with our chains here. You wrap it around your index finger, bring it up to the top. You push that tail over top of that loop that you put around your finger. Just push it right over. Then as you pull your index finger out of that, you roll that tail right into it and you tighten it down. See, I'm tightening it down with my right hand. And you got a loop. And it really doesn't matter how you do it. That's how I do it. As long as you get the loop with the little knot, that's all that really matters. But you tighten it down there and then you put it on your needle. Alright, now we're going to chain 13. You loop it over and pull it through like that. Now, I know that looks kind of awkward the way I just did it, but as long as you get the yarn through so that you make your little tail. But I'll show you one more time how we did that. Maybe I won't look so awkward this time. You put your yarn over, you put your tail through, you draw it through like that, and tighten it down. You put your needle in there. Put your yarn over in your southpaw hand. We call them southpaw hands, left-handed. If you're right-handed, if you're left-handed, you do it the opposite way. But you're going to take the yarn over the top of the needle, you're going to pull it through, and that makes your first chain. And you're going to do that 13 times. So here's number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, oops, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, 11, 12, oops, there we go, and 13. We got 13 loops on. Now, when you start your first row, you're only going to go through the top loop of that chain. And you're going to skip the first one, you're going to go into the second one. But what we're learning today is how to do half, double, double, and triple crochets. Alright, we learned how to do the singles yesterday. Now the singles, you just take the hook and you put it through the loop. Then you start. Now with all of these, you're going to put yarn over your needle before you put it through. And again, it's the half double, the double, and the triple crochets we're learning today. And we're going to start with the half double. You put the yarn over the hook. You take the hook and you put it through the loop. Now we're skipping the first one. We go through there and you yarn over and pull it through. You have 3 loops on your needle. Yarn over, pull through all 3. That's a half double crochet. Yarn over, put through the next loop, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. Yarn over, put it through the next loop, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, put it through the next loop, yarn over, pull through, whoops, I dropped it, try it again. Go through the loop, loop it over, pull through, and go through all 3. Yarn over the needle, put it through the next, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over the needle, put it through the next loop, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3. If it's difficult for you to get your hook through the loops, that means that your tension has been too tight. You need to loosen up your tension. If your loops are real sloppy down here, that means that you didn't have the tension tight enough, and you'll need to tighten it up a little bit. And that's all part of learning. Don't get excited about it. You might have to rip it out and start over again and over again and over again until you get it right. It's just part of the learning process. Okay, another half double crochet. You have the loop on the hook, yarn over, put your hook through the next loop of your chain, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through all three. Yarn over, put your hook through, pull yarn through, yarn over, and pull through all three. Yarn over, put it through the next loop, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through all three. Yarn over, put it through the next loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all three. Yarn over, put it through the next loop. Oops, I missed the loop. Try it again. Put through the loop, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all three. We've got one stitch left on this row. We yarn over, go through the loop, yarn over, pull through. You got 3 stitches on the hook, and pull through. That is your first row of half double crochets. Alright, now we're going to go to double crochet. Your double crochet is your most recognized stitch, most used stitch. So this is the one, you know, above all, that you're really going to have to know how to do. You'll use all 4 stitches, your single, half double, double, and triple, in your crochet work. But your double is the one that you're going to see most in your patterns. It's the one that you're going to use most in your work. Now on the half double and the double, you're going to leave 2 stitches at the end. So we're going to go 1, 2 chains. That forms the end of your row. I think I messed up down here on this end. I only left 1. But for all intents and purposes, when you're doing the half double, the double, you leave 2 chains at the ends of your rows. That gives you a nice clean finish on the edge of your piece. On your triple, you leave 4. Okay, now we're going to do double crochets. And I'll show you how we do that. You take the tail of your yarn again, and we're going to go over the hook. You turn your work, see how I turned the work around the other direction, and remember how we go under both loops of the stitch underneath. You pull through. Then you're going to go over. You're only going to pull through 2 this time. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through the last 2. Yarn over, next stitch, yarn over. Go underneath that stitch down there, pull the yarn through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Next stitch, yarn over. Go underneath that stitch, yarn over and pull through. Got 3 stitches on your hook, you yarn over. Pull through 2, pull through the last 2. Next stitch, yarn over. Go underneath the stitch, yarn over and pull through. Leaves 3 stitches on. Yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Yarn over, underneath the stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, underneath the stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through, and pull through the last 2. Yarn over, go underneath the stitch, hook the thread, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, underneath the stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through, or go underneath the stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. yarn over, underneath the stitch. It's hard to hang on to. I get down here to the end of it. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over the hook, underneath the last stitch in the row. Pull the yarn through, you got 3 stitches on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and 2 chain stitches to end that row. But next row is going to be a triple, right? Because we've done the half double, we've done the double, now we're going to do a triple. So we need 4 chains. We just done 2, we're going to do 2 more, because this is a taller stitch that we're going to do. Alright. For your triple crochet, you yarn over twice. Then you take your needle and you put it underneath your first stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And that makes a triple crochet. You just keep pulling through 2 on it all the time. Alright, we'll do it again. Wrap it around and wrap it around. Underneath the stitch, pull it through. Wrap it around, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over twice. Go underneath the stitch, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And you see how much taller the triple crochet is than the double crochet, and how much taller the double crochet is to the half double crochet. Alright, so we're going to finish up this triple crochet row. I'll do it again. Yarn over twice, underneath a stitch, pull it through, yarn over the hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Yarn over twice. See, we've got the stitch, we've got the yarn over twice, we put it through, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Yarn over twice. Put the yarn through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Yarn over twice. Underneath the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice. Underneath the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Yarn over twice. Go underneath the next stitch. Pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over twice. Underneath the next stitch. Pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice. Last stitch in the row. Underneath the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is the end of that row. And there is half double crochet, double crochet, and triple crochet. And that's how we do that. In the next episode, let's see, what will I do for the next amazing feat? I think in the next one, I'm going to show you how to make a simple washcloth. This is my pattern that I make all the time in simple washcloths, and for it you can use the acrylic, or if you happen to have cotton yarn, you can use cotton yarn. but I'll show you how that I do that. I'm using the same hook for that as I've used right here in this demonstration, so I think you'll enjoy that. That will be your first basic project. Alright, so with all that said, check out my URLs in the description of the video. Check out my Etsy store. I have some of the washcloths that I make listed on the Etsy store. At the top of the page is a PayPal link. If you feel so inclined as to donate, it helps me be able to buy craft supplies to be able to keep bringing you these videos and tutorials. Also, check out my Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. I do a live stream here on YouTube on Mondays at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I do a live stream on Twitch Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 3 p.m. Eastern. So I hope you'll join me there as well. You never know what I'm liable to do next. So with all that being said, there's only one thing left to say, and that's Brenda's crafty. Be like Brenda.